Hi there, and welcome to the Salted Pepper, where we cook for real life using real food, and we keep it real simple. And today we are going to make a delicious strawberry daiquiri in the Ninja Foodi cold and hot blender. So this recipe is really easy. I'm using frozen strawberries. You could use fresh strawberries in this recipe, but I would add some ice to it so you really get that frozen feel. Otherwise, it's just going to be a cold drink. So I'm using frozen strawberries, a 1/4 cup of white sugar, a 1/2 cup of rum. You can use any type of light colored rum that you like. I happen to have some banana rum, and bananas and strawberries go really well together. So I'm going to use banana rum, but it is traditional to use just an unflavored light rum in a daiquiri. And I didn't know this because I don't make a lot of strawberry daiquiris. But the reason why you call them a daiquiri is because there's some sort of a citrus, usually lime juice in them. I did not know that, so that was new to me. Now, I have made this without the lime. It is equally delicious, but since technically a daiquiri has the citrus in it, I'm gonna go ahead and add it in to the recipe. All right, so 2 cups of frozen strawberries go into the blender. Actually, I'm going to put the rum in next. 1/2 cup of the rum. Now, of course, you could increase that, decrease that, whatever you like, or omit it altogether. You know, if you want to have a strawberry daiquiri without any type of alcohol in it, just omit the rum. It'll be delicious. And a 1/4 cup of the sugar. And this is just one normal size medium lime that I squeezed. So it is about a 1/4 cup. In fact, let me tell you exactly how much it is. 2 tablespoons. All right, there we go. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get the lid on, turn the blender on, and select frozen drink. All right, that's it. That's all there is to it. Now, this makes about 24 ounces, and so that's enough for 4 6-ounce drinks. So, you can plan accordingly. You can also double this recipe. You may even be able to triple it. The one thing, though, is if you triple it, you may want to use the extract button or do the frozen drink button a couple of times, just to make sure all that ice is completely pulverized. Because the one thing about the Ninja Foodi cold and hot blender is the fact that there are no ice crystals. It is super smooth, but completely frozen. It's a huge benefit. I love this blender. I think I say that every video. All right, look at this. Now, this is the type of a strawberry daiquiri that you would get out of a daiquiri machine, right? I mean, it's perfect. Absolutely perfect. Put our little straw in. Let's be real festive with a little umbrella and give it a taste. Wow, that is amazing. Absolutely amazing. And the possibilities are endless because you could add in strawberries, you could add in bananas, you could change up the type of rum. I mean, you could make so many different kinds of drinks. Pina colada, that's next on my list. I'm gonna make a pina colada. Oh, I cannot wait. I love those.